Welcome to Atoz Watch and Jewellery Repair. All of our work undertaken comes with a 1-year guarantee. All of our watchmakers, jewellers and goldsmiths are fully qualified and have many years of experience. At Atoz, we strive to offer excellent value for money, and this is reflected in our very competitive prices. We specialise in watch battery replacement to manufacturer specifications using only the highest quality watch batteries. If your watch movement is beyond repair, we can supply and fit a new movement so you continue to enjoy your watch for many years to come. If your ring is in need of repair, rest assured that our master jewellers will be able to find a correct solution. We also offer a dial restoration service as well as custom dials if requested. All waterproof testing is conducted to manufacturer specifications. We offer a huge range of straps and bracelets and can adjust bracelets on request. All watches are bench tested and quality assured before leaving our workshop. We make full use of the latest technology to ensure that your watches are completed to the highest standard possible. We only use the highest quality of stones that are certified. All of our polishing for both jewellery and watches is undertaken in-house.